Karibuni Western. Today, I am delighted to host one of our own, our advocate at Fanaka Real Estate, Lawrence Gashaja.
Kariban sana John.
Yes. So today, we are going to discuss about due diligence, and one of the most important things in due diligence is to conduct a search. So Wakili, tell us, what is a search?
Yes. A search is a document, and that document is a reflection of what is in the title, but you get that document from the land registry. It also reflects what is in the files, especially in the lands office. Yeah, so that is basically what a search is.
Thank you, Wakili. So, as you've heard, he has said what it entails, where you get it, and also we need to ask you, what is the importance of a search?
The importance of a search is to see, number one, whether the person who is selling that property to you is the legitimate owner or is the legal and beneficial owner of that property. Then it will also tell you what the size is, and then it will be a confirmation that the land does not have any it is not burdened whatsoever by any encumbrance being that it does not have a loan, it does not have a restriction, a caution. So it assists you to know whether the property you're buying is free from any kind of burden whatsoever. Yeah. So essentially, it's important to conduct the search, and it's actually very advisable because that is the only way you'd have a green light move ahead with the purchase.
That is great, Wakili. So, and finally, just to ask, because at Fanaka all our properties have title deeds, do you recommend for our clients to conduct a search?
Yes, I think it is important to do the search. Number one, not because the titles we have are not legit, but there are processes, legal processes that you're not supposed to skip. For example, you need to ensure that once you come to purchase a property with us, the first step is to do the search at the lands office, just to ensure that everything is in order. Yeah, but it doesn't mean that our properties ziko na shida. In fact, if a property doesn't have or rather has a problem, we wouldn't even have the title deeds in the first place. Yeah, but a search is something that you're not supposed to skip. It is important, and this is actually for purposes of Fanaka and for any other transaction.
And finally, I think I forgot, are there charges when you're conducting a search?
Yes, a search is supposed to actually be free, but of course if you give a professional, there are going to be charges for the searches. Yeah, so it will be dependent on who you give. But a search, like for example in the rural office, if you do say a normal, because a client can also do the search themselves, it's going to take a week to get the search. Yes, if the client now does it for themselves.
You heard it from the professionals. So you are always welcome at Fanaka, and make sure you conduct your due diligence. Tashukuru Wakili.
Asante sana.
Thank you.
Fanaka Real Estate, your ideal real estate partner.